Okay, so if you are the proud owner of a new stove that's just been fitted in your home, there's a few things that you need to make sure that you do before you start burning anything on there. Initially, you need to make sure that the plaster around the opening is nice and dry. If there's any dark patches left on there, that shows that there's still moisture in there. It needs to be left a little bit longer. If you light your stove when the plaster isn't fully dry, it'll dry out too quick and you'll end up getting cracks in there. So once that's all dry, there's a few processes that you have to follow when you first get going. So with a brand new stove, there's usually a coating on the inside of there that's there to protect it during transit. That initially needs to burn off, so to cure the paint on the stove. So to do that, what you would do is a couple of kindling fires to start off with, where you just use a few bits of kindling and a fire lighter, light that, let it burn through, and then let it go out. Do that a few times, and then the next couple of times, same process, but put a log on top of there and let the log burn through and go out. And then once you've done those sort of 4 first burns, really you should be good to go. But a really good way to judge it is from the smell. So when the paint is curing on the stove, there will be an odour released from there. Once that stops, really the stove should be ready to go. So with regards to lighting, for your kindling fire, all you need really is 4 bits of kindling and a fire lighter. So just open the door. We arrange ours in this kind of an arrangement, so 2 that way, 2 on top going that way, fire lighter in the middle. So if I just pop that on there, and then close the door. Make sure your air control is on full so that it's getting the maximum amount of air through the stove, and then just let that burn through. Like I say, do that a couple of times, and then once you do your next burn, you can pop a log on top of there once it's started to burn the kindling, and then it should just be good to go.